The Sharp 1440F high-precision manual lathe is a light-duty manual lathe. It is a compactly constructed machine with many fine features usually found on a larger engine lathe. The 1440F lathe is designed to meet the needs of those who require simple and easy operation in vocational schools, training institutions, general machine shops, maintenance shops, and industrial workshops. The machine offers 14 inches of swing over bed. Swing over bed gap is 20 inches. Distance between centers is 40 inches. The bed gap can be removed to increase swing capacity, allowing the machine to turn larger workpieces without the need to change to a larger machine. The top of the cross slide is hardened and precision ground to prevent scratching and to ensure long-term operation. This lathe comes with a D1-4 cam lock spindle, making the chuck easier to mount and dismantle. The spindle bore size is 1.5 inches. The spindle provides 16-step speed change with speed range of 45 to 1,800 RPM. The gears in the headstock are manufactured from chrome moly alloy steel for maximum wear resistance and noise-free running.